The journey of how thoughts, those intangible and ethereal entities that reside within our minds, transmute into concrete and tangible realities. Imagine consciousness as a loom, where thoughts are the threads. Each thought, like a filament, has its own unique vibrational signature, much like the notes in a symphony. The loom weaves these threads together, creating the intricate tapestry of our existence. These thoughts are not mere abstractions. They possess a palpable energy, serving as a blueprint for the reality we seek to manifest. Think of it as an architect's detailed plan for constructing a building. Thoughts, imbued with intention and emotion, shape this blueprint, giving it substance and form. Think of your thought as the building blocks of your life. Just as an architect carefully plans a structure, your thoughts play a pivotal role in designing the life you want to create. It's the awareness of this creative power that empowers us to be the intentional architects of our reality. Belief, emotion, and intent act as alchemical catalysts in this process. Belief is the fuel that powers the transformation, while emotion infuses it with color and vitality. When a thought is infused with unwavering belief and intense emotion, it becomes a potent force, capable of bringing about profound changes in our reality. Intent serves as the compass that guides our thoughts towards a desired destination, providing clarity and direction. Our beliefs and emotions are like the paintbrushes we use to color the canvas of our lives. Understanding that our beliefs and emotions are integral to the manifestation process empowers us to consciously choose and nurture the ones that serve our highest aspirations. Think of the law of attraction as a magnetic force that responds to your thoughts and emotions. It reminds us that the energy we emit through our thoughts and feelings has a magnetic pull, drawing circumstances and opportunities that align with our energetic frequency. It encourages us to be mindful of the energy we project into the world. While conscious beliefs are important, our subconscious mind harbors a treasure trove of beliefs acquired throughout our lives. These hidden beliefs often shape our reality more than our conscious intentions. Individual thoughts don't exist in isolation. They are part of a larger collective consciousness. Sometimes the collective consciousness can either amplify or hinder the manifestation of individual thoughts. For example, during moments of global crisis or celebration, the collective consciousness can significantly impact the outcome of our thoughts. Paradoxically, detachment also plays a role. Obsessive attachment to a desired outcome can create resistance, hindering the natural flow of manifestation. Balancing intention with a sense of detachment, where you trust the process and let go of the how and when, often accelerates this manifestation. Recognize that you are not alone in this journey. Your thoughts interact with the thoughts of others, influencing and being influenced by the collective consciousness. Thoughts and emotions emit frequencies and vibrations that resonate with similar frequencies in the quantum field. The law of resonance suggests that thoughts and emotions attuned to a particular frequency are more likely to manifest experiences that match that frequency. Thus, understanding how to raise one's vibrational state through practices like meditation, gratitude, and mindfulness becomes essential in this journey. Visualization helps bridge the gap between the mental and physical realms, acting as a catalyst for manifestation. Our external environment, including the people we interact with and the places we inhabit, also can significantly influence the manifestation of our thoughts into reality. Energetic factors, such as the energy of a particular location or the energy of the people around us, can either support or hinder our intention.